High Voltage Differential Probe MDP/DP Series. Originated from Micsig's cutting-edge SigOFIT technology, the Micsig differential probe has very low noise floor, excellent high-voltage amplitude-frequency characteristics and industry-leading common-mode rejection capability, allow users to test high-frequency and high-voltage signals with ease. Inside the packaging box, there is the differential probe, extension leads, alligator clip, IC clip, USB cable and adapter. Now, let's see how to use the probe. Connect the probe to oscilloscope. Then use the USB cable to supply power directly, or use the adapter as well. Then we set the corresponding probe attenuation ratio and impedance setting on the oscilloscope. Probe with a bandwidth above 300 MHz uses 50 ohms impedance, bandwidth from 100 MHz to 200 MHz uses 1 mΩ impedance. Next, we proceed with the probe zeroing. First, use the alligator clip to short-circuit the probe. Press 0 button to zeroing. The range indicator lights alternate flashing, and the probe emits a beep sound indicating successful calibration. If the zero position is still incorrect, please check the oscilloscope's own zero position. Then connect the probe to the device under test. Here we use the IC clip to connect. After that, power on the device under test, and then adjust the oscilloscope to observe the waveform. Avoid using extension leads as much as possible, it will introduce additional interference. Twist extension leads to lower interference. After twist the waveform is better.